Hello again, it's the Guillory's. It's event day 7. And let's see what horse we got. I mean, what we got from the horse farm. Okay. So, day 7. Yeah. Oh, there's no 7 on there.
What? No, it's down there.
Oh. What kind of weirdness did you get?
That's from Dorothy.
Yeah. It looks like that's a meat thing. Yeah. Well, I have remember that one thing where it shows the chocolates are in the wrong place?
Did you see the one with the 2 cookies and one? There's doors between slots, so it shows 2 cookies.
Yeah. That's
like,
what I was thinking about.
Which one are you supposed to take? Okay, I got reins and a halter to a horse I don't have.
That's the one that Mom got.
It goes to my horse. Don't you have a horse though? Do you have
not yet.
Okay, just keep it just in case you get one.
Okay.
I'm the one that has the other horse.
Okay.
Can you see this?
So yeah, it'd probably be better to leave it in the bag so you get a horse so you don't lose the voices. I mean, planes.
Horses.
I mean, pieces. Piece. A chance. Okay. So, if you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.